guys and gals, welcome back to another episode of Gearheadgirl Garage, where today we're going to show you how to replace your broken exploded coolant reservoir with a nice shiny new one. Then you're just going to refill it back up with your organic coolant. So we had a little incident the other day, and you can see our tank here has literally exploded. Made a big loud boom, lost all the water. You can see that crack runs from the top all the way down to the bottom. Okay, first step, you're going to want to undo this. Put that in a safe place. Then you can pop this clip out. And there's two clamps on the bottom. We've gone ahead and done these. But if you look over on this side, it's the same type of clamp as that. So you just remove those from the bottom. Alright, so you can see the two clamps down there. That's what we're talking about. Down there you can see we've got a hose clamp that we're going to have to remove. If it's factory, it's going to look something like that. We're going to carefully remove this. And out it comes. So we're going to go ahead and reuse this cap on the new one. Okay, if that gets stuck in your hose, you might as well go ahead and remove that because there's a new one on the new part. Okay, so you can see here, this is why we need to replace it. It literally exploded. So we'll go ahead and reuse our cap and get ready to install our nice new reservoir. So you can see those two hoses down there. It's going to be a little hard to film, so we'll go ahead and do it, but you're going to line these up with those two hoses and lock it into place. Alright, and so you see this has to go inside your hose, and you're going to secure it with that clamp. And then if your new reservoir comes with a new screw, you want to go ahead and remove that before install. Alright, so you can see there we've got our hose clamp and the hose back on. Alright, so we've got 2 liters of the organic blue concentrate that we're going to use to refill the coolant system. Okay, so once you've got the hose clamp tightened down, you can slide this back in. And then we'll reinstall our clip. And then once your clip's in, you can reinstall your screw. So you can see everything is nice and attached. And we're just going to go ahead. We're going to leave this bleed screw nice and loose, as well as this one. And just go ahead and fill it back up. So we're going to add a little bit of water first, and then we'll be putting in our coolant. So you can see we've got some water in there, and we're just going to go ahead and check for any leaks. So you do want to make sure you're using the organic blue coolant for these. Once you've filled up the system, you can go ahead and bleed it, and you'll be all set to go. Once you've gotten the air out, you're just going to go ahead and tighten those breather screws back down. Then you'll be all done. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching this episode of Gearheadgirl Garage, and we'll catch you guys back for the next one. See ya!